Hi, what's up everyone? Now we are in Steal a Brain Rot, getting ready for the early bird. I just have to fix this camera some. You guys can see me good, right? Okay, here we go. It is in about 3 minutes, so there's your timer if you need that. Here, I'm trying to just fix this camera. There we go. I think that's good. Right, guys? If you need to, just comment saying fix your camera. I'll try to fix it. Not the. Anyways. Now we are kind of just waiting. Yes, I am mostly a Roblox YouTuber. Well, I am actually. We can kind of just wait. Also, by the way, if you did not see my YouTube short that I created earlier, it's basically just how to find my YouTube channel, but this is just a small video with both the early bird. And guys, please subscribe. That's all I'm saying. Anyways, just waiting. You guys can skip ahead until the actual early bird itself. I'll probably stay in for the early bird about 10 minutes or so. So, if you'd like, you can skip to the early bird. So I'm just gonna wait. Not really say anything, just wait. If you have a Roblox account.
Yeah, but what would she play it on?
I have 2 servers, so she can go in all the mouse friends.
Hey, why did you just take it off?
I'm getting on Steal Brain Rot.
I thought it was.
Yeah, let me see your phone.
Sorry, guys. You guys might see some people joining. These are just my cousins and friends and stuff. There's here for early bird too, in my private server. 1 minute, everyone. 1 minute. Oh guys, it's like happening in like 45 seconds.
He does it right at like 2 o'clock. The wheel says we have 30 seconds.
Also, I cannot really have an alt account on. I guess my cousin can kind of just be it. Hey, Ian. So basically, if a good brain rot spawns, like maybe during the early bird or actual end reviews, if you like help me like trade farm it. Basically, I buy it, and then you go to my base to buy it, and then we just juggle it back and forth. Okay. Alright guys, it should be happening any second now. Yes. Okay. Early bird time, Sammy says. Dang, he's perfectly on time. Let's just see what we get from the wheel. We got 350k. Oh, secret block. Oh, it didn't come out, Cyber. Alright, nice. Why didn't you get Cyber? Imagine we got it, Cyber. Ooh, base spawn. Ah. Yeah. Ooh, a Cyber Samini. Might take that for index. Wait, a job drops the Horkin spawn in his base? Oh. I've never seen one of them. Another Los Trolaritos. Oh. Looks like there's a small update to his base. I mean, I'll take a couple lucky blocks for to open for you guys to see. Unfortunately, nothing like no money puggies, no secret blocks, no. Can Los Burritos spawn in his base? I can't remember. Aiden, he's just my cousin.
Not even has
You're kind of right. Alright, this is like the dang L base spawn. Dang. Don't be lagging out on me again. Alright, now we got some lucky blocks. Don't ask why my bottom floor is filled with those brain rots. Taco block and admin block. Turn around. I'm putting on the ore glasses. It's too easy, man. Gosh dang it. Bill.
Cyber and Sammy Spider and either's one in there.
Well, it's not in mine.
I'm literally just selling all of my bad brain rots.
Not in mine.
Anyways, guys, it was kind of a mid early bird. I mean, the base spawn was okay. I mean, it was pretty good.
Get the Cyber Spider Shiny that's on the top face.
It's gonna disappear in like 2 seconds. Yep, see, it's all gone.
Should've been more quicker.
I wouldn't even have time. Anyways, guys, I will see you when this update happens. Does anyone know what the update is? Cause ooh, what's he gonna get? He got Gatito Tokutito.
Ooh, and a Lotto Taco.
Yeah, and a Carlo. Boo. Anyways, that's the early bird. I mean, not the best, but
Oh, and Uncle Benjamin.
it's perfectly fine.
Is it spawned in more?